Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your hobby level in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my hobby. Okay, I have unlocked 3 hobbies in Heartopia. There are the bird watching, gardening, and also fishing. And then if we want to upgrade our hobby, we need to increase our proficiency. I still need to reach 200 proficiency to to upgrade my hobby. Okay, and to unlock to increase the proficiency, we need to do the hobby that we want to upgrade. For example, I'm going to level up my gardening hobby, so I need to do gardening. I need to plant something, and I've already planted these tomatoes, and I'm going to harvest my tomatoes. Okay, and as you can see that my gardening proficiency is increased. Okay, this is my current proficiency, 84. And I'm going to collect the tomatoes, and it will be increased. Okay, now it's 88. And after you reach certain points, you can click on this hobby upgrade. Okay guys, and that's how you can upgrade your hobby level in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.